Okay, aloha mai kākou. Aloha mai kākou, and welcome to ʻAʻA ʻŌLELO, a virtual Hawaiian language class. Today is he poʻaho hake ia o ka la ʻeha o malaki ke ia la. We're going to be talking about ʻOPAʻA number 7. Mahalo nui for being with us tonight. Our quick review of our agenda actually. Yeah, pretty much the same thing that we always do. We'll do some practice from last week's NΑ WAIHOʻOLUʻU lesson, and then going into today's lesson about NΑ WAIHOʻOLUʻU, or colors. Yeah, so again, formal introduction, aloha mai kākou e nā haumana. Every time we start class, we always like to start with our answering these questions, and those are ʻOwai ko inoa, what is your name? Noho oi ihea, where do you live? And then a special question, he aha kau ʻōlelo no ʻeau PUNAHELE, which is your favorite wise saying. It could either be in Hawaiian or English. So yeah, whichever ʻōlelo no ʻeau you guys choose, or whatever other language you want. So aloha mai, o kumakahanuola solatorio koʻu inoa, noho au ma ke walauka ma Oahu. And my favorite ʻōlelo no ʻeau is I mai ka ike kalo I ka oha. Okay, and then we have four kākou, or four TA support that you guys can always ask questions. They're going to be helping me throughout the class. I'm going to ask them to introduce themselves in their ʻōlelo no ʻeau. Starting with Erika.
Aloha mai kākou, o Erika koʻu inoa, noho au ma moiliili. Sounds a little bougie, but ad astra per aspera he koʻu noia o PUNAHELE, and it means to the stars through adversity.
Love it. Yeah, kind of similar. Okay, next, let's jump to Lenaʻala in Lihue, Kauai.
Hey, kumusta my answer?
Oh, sorry.
O Lenaʻala koʻu inoa Hawaii, noho au I Lihue, Kauai. You reap what you sow. Ka'u ʻōlelo no ʻeau PUNAHELE no ka mea. It's my dad's favorite, and he says it every 2 seconds.
I love it. Okay, I love it. Okay, jumping to Kapua.
Aloha kākou o Kapua koʻu inoa. Noho au ma ka ʻelepulu ma koʻola poko ma Oahu. Let's see. My favorite, I don't know, but the newest one because I'm reading the Nana Ke Kumu, this one.
Volume 3, yeah.
Volume 3, Helu 3, ʻEkolu. It says, He ke hao hoʻomaʻemaʻe ke aloha. Love is like a cleansing dew. So that was the first time I heard that one.
That's a good one. Can you write that in the chat? For anyone who would like that. Okay. Thank you. And then we want to introduce a new kākou joining us from the continent, and she will introduce herself. You know who you are.
Aloha mai kākou o Carly Ko'inoa, noho au ma Seattle, and
Awesome.
I don't know of my favorite ʻōlelo no ʻeau because I feel pressured, but I will share my friend's Haley's, and her favorite is Paliki Kua Mihina Ke Aloha.
Yeah. Okay, so thank you, and thank you everyone for sharing your ʻōlelo no ʻeau. Again, these four lovely wahine will be here to answer any questions. So if you have any specific questions, address it to one of them, or yeah, and then Erika will periodically be sending the links just throughout the class for you folks. Okay. Actually, would anyone like to share the 3 answers that they wrote? That's here.
I'll share.
Okay, thank you, Kala.
Aloha o kala ko'inoa, noho au ma hilohana kahi, and my favorite ʻōlelo no ʻeau is e oloi ka ʻōlelo e make ka ʻōlelo, which means in the language there is life, and in the language there is death.
Awesome. Thank you. And then maybe one more. You can just, someone can, yeah. Anyone.
I'll go.
Okay. Tammy.
My ʻŌLELO noʻeau is pa'ahana, and it was a saying that my cousin Billy Kinoi said that when we can, we can. When we no can, we still can. So it's pa'ahana. We all can persevere no matter what is going on in the world as long as we keep trying.
Thank you. Oh yes, Billy Kinoi. Rest in peace. Mahalo. Okay, so thank you everyone. And if you guys are still writing, you guys still keep typing them out. It's fine. Okay, so I'm gonna have some of our new haumana, if you guys wouldn't mind reading these ʻŌLELO noʻeau. I'm sorry, these loina, or our values that we have. And I'm gonna call on Kolopua if you can read the first two in Hawaiian and English for us.
Aloha. So the first one is aloha kekahi kekahi, which is love one another, and we are in ohana.
Perfect. And then the second one, please.
Ho'i aku, ho'i mai. Be respectful on camera and in the chat.
Thank you so much. Okay. Oh, wait. Oh, Kiani. Can you read the next two? I found it. Kiani. Yeah. Aloha.
E kulia I ka nu'u, strive to be the very best you can be. And then the last one, ʻAʻA I ka ʻōlelo mai hila hila. Dare to speak, don't be ashamed in class.
Thank you. Good job. Let's give them a round of applause. So, yeah, I'll be calling on you folks throughout the evening, randomly, everyone throughout the class, just so we can have some speaking practice, but that was great. Thank you. Okay, so our oli e homai, I'm going to ask if anyone wants to start us. Volunteer, any volunteers? Carly? Carly. Come on, Carly. You got it. Yes.
Do I have to do that first part where you like do it, but then you don't do it?
Sure.
Where would I stop on that part?
E homai pa.
Okay.
Okay, so if everyone can palikikua, her favorite ʻŌLELO noʻeau, or her friend's favorite ʻŌLELO noʻeau, sitting up. And whenever you're ready, Carly.
Okay. E homai. Then I stop there, right?
Yep.
Okay. E homai ka ike mai luna mai e. O nā mea huna noʻeau. O nā mele e ho mai, e ho mai, e ho mai, e ho mai, ka ike mai luna mai e. O nā mea huna noʻeau, o nā mele e ho mai, e ho mai, e ho mai, e ho mai, ka ike mai luna mai e. O nā mea huna noʻeau, o nā mele e ho mai, e ho mai, e ho mai.
E he i ki kāna pai komo māloko, e hana ia hewe koha, e no kaukula o ka leo a he leo wale noe. Good job, Carly. That's how you do it in Seattle. Hit it, Seattle. Okay, so jumping into our review from last week. So we talked about nakahulu, which are adjectives or descriptive words. And we had a few questions that I'm going to have you guys, we're going to answer and go into. So here's just a quick little review.
Aloha mai kākou o ka anuola koʻinoa. Hauʻoli I am happy. I kaito ke ala is strong. Hauʻoli koʻu makuahine, my mother is happy. Kolohe ke keiki kāne, the boy is rascal. He LAUOHO keia, this day is a rainy day.
Okay. Okay, so I'm going to have you guys answer this question. If you can hoʻopili mai, repeat after me. Pehea oi. Okay, one more time. Pehea oi.
Pehea oi.
Oh, yeah. Thank you. Okay, so how are you? Pehea oi. And if you guys remember how to answer, you're going to say a kahulu and then au. So you can say, mostly a lot of people say mai ka'iau or hau'oliau. But if you guys remember any of the ones from last week, any of the 16 that we learned, you guys can type in your answer for that. And then I'll be calling on some of you to answer the question for us. Yes, Mahalo 10-hour Zooms. Okay, good. Okay, so I'm gonna call on some of you, starting with let's go to Tobias. Pehe oi.
Mahalo. ʻAʻole au.
Good job. Thank you. Let's jump to Billy Aina Terrell. Pehe oi.
Ma luhi luhiau.
Mahalo, me too. I'm jumping to Pukawa Melton. Pehe oi.
Ma luhi luhiau kakahi.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, so he's also tired. And then one more. Let's jump to our friend Shannon.
Oh, yeah.
Ma luhi luhiau.
Yeah, everyone's tired, but that is totally fine because I'm tired too. Okay, so no, great. Sorry. Okay, so jumping to our next part, we're gonna do some. Shut up. We're gonna do some review, and this is when we added a little bit more to the just kahulu and piko or hau'oliau. We also added this next part, and what does that mean? Ike. Can you guys type that in? What does Ike mean? Good. Yeah, you guys remember. Okay, so Ike means today or this day, today or this day. So I'm gonna have you guys translate these four. Try your best because we didn't actually really go over this pico and this pico, but see what you guys can do. So if you guys can, yes, please put it in private. Thank you. So that, you know, we're not sharing our answers with everyone. I'll give you guys a minute to go over that, to translate them. Minute starting now. Hold on, sorry. What happened? There we go. Hold on. Yeah, good. Thanks, Leonala. Good job. Oh, there's a new word actually, not for number 3, but yes, some of you may know. How was your mom today? Yeah, exactly. Okay, good. 2 more seconds. Okay, so I'm gonna call on you. If you can just turn on your mic. I'm looking at your answers, so hopefully, yes. Let's go with Nancy Lorenz. Can you read the Hawaiian and your English?
Sure. Number 1 is Hau'oliau ʻIkeala. I am happy today.
Perfect. Thank you.
Number 2, Po loli o pua ʻIkeala. Let's see. Oh, I am hungry today. And
try one more time. So Pua is
Pua is hungry today.
Yeah.
Okay. Number 3, I'm guessing that my mother is drunk today.
Yes.
Is it drunk?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So you guys can use that for yourself. Just change out ko'umakuahine and put au. That would work. I am drunk today. Ona au ʻIkeala. Okay, and then the last one, please, if you got it.
Akamai kakeki.
Good.
Ikeala.
Yeah.
Or is it
Almost there. Keiki. Yeah. So
Keiki? Okay.
Keiki Ikeala. Good job. Okay, and then let's give her a round of applause. And if you can send your address, I have something for you too. Because I was just gonna have you do one, but you did all four. So that's what you call ʻAʻA ʻŌLELO, everyone. So thank you, Nancy.
Sorry.
Oh, no, you're good. That's great. Thank you. Okay, so yeah, you can send your address in the chat privately. And then, okay, so we're gonna add one more kind of descriptive level to our kahulu pepeke. And so say you want to describe how you feel, but say you don't want to, you're kind of sad, or you're very happy, or you're indeed smart. Okay, so those are going to be these three words over here. I'm going to actually call on someone or three of you to read the examples, and then I'll kind of explain it after that. So Kabag, would you mind reading number one?
Number one, ano, kind of, before kahulu. Ano mai ka'i, kind of good.
Good job. Okay, so that's kind of, remember that. That's going to come up in a little bit. Salina, if you can read number two.
Loa, very after kahulu, very. Mai ka'i loa, very good.
Okay, good. And then number three, let's jump to Jason.
No means indeed, and it comes after the kahulu. So mai ka'i no, indeed good.
Okay, good. So I'm sure you may have heard mai ka'i loa before, or maybe mai ka'i no before, and that's actually going to help us later on. But if you guys want to screenshot this real fast, this is going to come in handy throughout our evening and as we practice, I guess. Okay, so just remember, the only difference is that ano, ano comes before the kahulu, and that's the only one that comes before your adjective. And then loa and no come after. Okay, so ano is before, loa and no comes after. Okay. So actually, before we do this, let's do some examples. So using ano mai ka'i, I'm going to change out ano mai ka'i. What if I said, so in the chat, if you guys can put your answer privately. What if I said, ano hauʻoliʻau? Ano hauʻoliʻau. What would that mean? Ano hauʻoliʻau. Try one more time. Alihilani. Ano hauʻoliʻau. Yeah, you get them. You're a mistake. Good. Okay, so Alihilani, would you mind reading your transition?
I am kind of happy.
Yes, and your mic's working. Good. Great. All right, let's try with the loa. So remember, loa comes after. Let's do kaumahaloa. Kaumahaloa. Good job, guys. Yeah, very sad works, but if you guys can do the o, who is very sad, that will help you with the translation. Kaumahaloa. Okay, good. Kumu ho'omana nui, Davey.
Mahalo, I am very sad.
Good job. Okay, thank you. And then let's do one with no. So my kaino, let's change that to pololi noao. Pololi noao. Pololi noao. McDonald's. Just kidding. It's bad. Just kidding, I'm a vegan. Okay, good. Who can answer? KawaiʻOLUʻU, can you answer say your translation?
I am very hungry.
Good, mahalo. Okay, and you know what? Take some time. How about you guys do this activity where you choose one verb or one adjective and then list them out just like this. So you're gonna say ano mai ka'i, mai ka'i loa, and then mai ka'i no, but change out the mai ka'i for something else. Okay. So you can see an example would be, why did I not use it? How about ano lo'ihi loa, lo'ihi no. So very kind of tall, very tall, indeed tall. Good. Lena ala. Yeah. Everyone's still putting up the tired. I guess everyone's just very tired. Well, at least we don't have a tsunami coming our way. All right, good. Aaliyah, would you mind reading yours?
Ano o ma'i au, o ma'i loa au, o ma'i no.
Good job. Okay, and then I'm gonna call on, good. Anela, can you read yours too? Anela hano hano.
Ano akamai au, akamai loa au, akamai no au.
Perfect, thank you. Okay, so good practice, and then we're gonna do that same activity with these sample sentences. So hopefully you guys can figure it out. I'll give you guys another minute or so. Actually, Lena Allah will give you a minute. Exactly a minute. So yeah, if you guys can put them in privately, please do that. Yeah, I don't know, Catherine, are you really sick? If you're really sick, we're gonna pray for you. But if that's just an example, we're still gonna pray for you. Good. So we have ano kau mahao I ke iala, olu olu no o kainani I ke iala, nani loa ko ukupunahine I ke iala, and that teacher, you know, the weird teacher is kind of lazy today. It's kind of very, indeed. Alrighty, so the 1 minute goes by fast, but let's do what we did last time. Just everyone turn on your mic after I read the Hawaiian and see where it goes. Get ready? Ano kau mahao I ke iala.
I'm sad,
sad
little bit.
I'm kind of sad today.
Sad today.
I'm kind of sad today.
Wrong. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, I'm kind of sad today. Good. Okay. Let's try this next one. So olu olu no o kainani I ke iala.
Kainani is very nice today.
Nice today.
Sweet today.
I literally didn't understand anyone. So I'm gonna call Pomohala if you can read yours.
And Nani is happy today.
Try one. So happy, yeah, that would work. Olu olu is a little bit different. It's pleasant. So kainani is what kind of pleasant? You have this no, yeah. So no.
Indeed. Oh. Yes.
Yeah, thank you.
Indeed,
So,
good. Indeed, very good. Happy today. Pleasant today.
kainani is indeed pleasant today. Okay. Let's jump to who think they get them. Lori Lyon, you want to read this one for us? Number 3. We're not going to do that crazy thing again because, yeah, that was.
Nani loa ko'u kapunahine I ke la, which is my grandmother looks very pretty today.
Perfect. Good. Yeah, exactly. And then lastly, kind of harder, but the teacher is kind of lazy today. So, who got it right? Lily now. Lina girl, can you answer for us?
Ano moloa ke kumu I ke iala. The teacher is kind of lazy today.
Good job. Ano moloa ke kumu I ke iala. Okay, good. Thank you everyone who answered those for us. And I think it's time for our lesson. Yeah? Okay. Yes. All right. So today's lesson is about, and it takes us right to 7 o'clock. Today's lesson is about NΑ WAIHOʻOLUʻU. Can everyone repeat after me? E hoʻopili mai. NA WAIHOʻOLUʻU. Okay. NA WAIHOʻOLUʻU, which means colors. And I know colors seems very elementary, and you may have learned it already in elementary, especially here in Hawaii if you went here. But it's very important when we get into like the describing objects and, you know, our clothes or our hair. So that's what we're going to go through today. And raise your hand if you already know the colors in Hawaiian. Or kind of, yeah. Okay, good. Yeah, not everyone. So this is a review or maybe a lesson, a review for some of us, and then brand new for most of us. So yeah, I'm just going to call on you if you can read when I point to it. And let's start with Amanda P. Can you read this first one for us?
Ula ula, red.
Good. Ula ula is red. Okay, jumping to Emily and Josh. Can you read the next one? Or how about the next two? Each of you can take one.
Mele mele. You get the other one. Yellow.
And pony, purple.
Okay, good. Thank you. Okay, this next one I'm gonna go over. Polu, e ho'opili mai, polu. And then we also have uli uli. And those both equal blue. So polu is more of the transliteration that sound, you know, they just changed the word blue, turned it into polu, blue, polu. So that's the newer term for blue, but the more kahiko, or I guess the kupuna term would be uli uli. Blue or polu or uli uli. I like to use uli uli, but sometimes I still forget and I use polu. So whichever you want to use. Okay, next one. Let's jump to Dorcas. Can you read this next one?
Ele black.
Thank you. Ele is black. Jumping to Jamie.
Akala pink.
Pink. Okay, so let's read these 6 together. When we get here, let's just do uli uli so it's not confusing. Okay, ready and go. Ula ula.
Ula ula.
Yeah. Mele mele. Poni. Uli uli. Ele ele. And akala. Okay. And then we'll end on this side. First, let's jump to Julian. Can you read this first one up here?
Alani.
Good. Alani, and that is?
Orange.
Orange. Okay. Let's jump to Stacy.
Ko.
Yeah. And
White.
White. Thank you. Dale.
Hina hina, gray.
Hina hina is gray. That's kind of a harder one, so repeat after me. Hina hina. Hina hina. Okay. The next one, Christy Aki.
Oma'oma'o, green.
Oma'oma'o, again, a little harder. Oma'oma'o.
Oma'oma'o.
Thank you. Oma'oma'o or green. And then this last one, again, it's kind of like blue. We have maku'e, which is the more native term or the more kupuna term. So maku'e for brown, or palaunu, which sounds like baraunu, which is the more transliterated newer term. So maku'e or palaunu, whichever one you want to choose, you can go with. But again, we're trying to use the more kupuna terms or the more older terms. So I'm going to try to stick with maku'e. Okay, so let's do that same thing. Let's read it together. And then when we get to brown, we'll go to maku'e. Okay, a'oia. Alani, ke'o, hina hina, ma'o, maku'e. Okay, good. All right, so when we get this song, when we teach it normally, there's a song that many people know, and that kind of helps them to retain it. So here's how the song goes, and I guess this kind of introduces our next activity.
Aloha mai kākou kumukano wala ko'inoa, eia nā waihoʻoluʻu. Ula ula mele mele, oni uli uli ele ele. Akala alani ke o. Ahina hina, oma oma o, mahue o.
Okay, so yeah, I guess I'll teach you that song right now, just quickly. We don't have that much time. Okay, so if we go back here, let me just sing it through. Okay, so ready. Ula ula mele mele, oni uli uli ele ele. Okay, if you can hear it and you want to try it with me, then you can do that too. Okay, ready and go. Ula ula mele mele, oni uli uli ele ele. Okay, I know you guys may be familiar with the polu, but try to do uli uli. But if not, you can just sing the polu, because yeah, it's okay. Okay, so and then we're gonna go akala alani ke o. Try that with me. Akala alani ke o. Okay, let's try from ula ula to ke o. Ready? Ula ula mele mele, poni uli uli ele ele. Akala alani ke o. Got it? Okay. Then ahina hina, oma oma o. Hello? No, wait. Akue. Okay. I know it's kind of hard, but it's okay. I'll have the recording for you up on Google Classroom, and it's in the slides, so you can always go back and listen to it. But let's try one more time. Or does anyone want to sing it for us? Any volunteer? Oh, Erika. Yes.
Okay. Ready? Ula ula mele mele, poni uli uli ele ele. Akala alani ke o. Ahina hina, oma oma o, makue.
You should win a Grammy. Give her a Grammy, everyone. Okay, so we're gonna play a game. Yes, game. So it's called E ki'i I ke kahimea, or kind of like gimme gimme. So what I'm gonna do, if you want, you can have the colors on the side of you, or you know what? I'll put the colors up. So I'm gonna say E ki'i I ke kahimea, and then the color in Hawaiian. So gimme gimme, and then you're gonna grab something with that color. So go around your house and look for something with that color. Don't just choose pens, because we all know everyone got different color pens. That's cheating. But you're gonna have 10 seconds to go around and look and find some interesting stuff. Bring like, I don't know, a teapot, or I don't know, you know, something, a spoon, a blender maybe. So you'll have 10 seconds to look around your house for an object of that color, and then note, don't break anything because we don't have insurance. Your fault, insurance. Okay, ready? So, okay. Yeah, you ready? Actually, let me go back to the colors. So, E ki'i I ke kahimea, ele ele. Yeah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh wait, I gotta grab something good. Good job. And look at my sign. Alcohol, because no great story started with someone eating a salad. Okay, next. E ki'i I ke kahimea o ma'o. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Green. No Heinekens. Wait, there's no Heinekens. How is that? That's a shocker. There's Sprite, but there's no Heinekens. Okay. Good. E ki'i ke kahimea ula ula. Oh yeah, kapua. Look, can you show off that shirt? Show off that shirt. Yeah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wait. Oh, Nancy, sorry. I thought they looked black, but it is ula ula. My bad. Yeah, maroonish, yeah. Okay. E ki'i ke kahi mea. This one's hard. Pony. She's kind of, wait, that's the wrong person. Where's Rapunzel? Rapunzel? Oh, there. Stuff. That's pink. Whatever, I don't even care. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey, Laurie, nice cards. Is that from Keoho and me? Yeah, I think they are. Yeah, nice. Okay, good. Let's try combo. E ki'i ke kahi mea. Ele a ke'o ke'o. So 2 colors. Ele a ke'o ke'o. On that same thing, on that same object. God. I don't have anything. Right. Good. So black and white. Carly, that is black and yellow. Carly, Carly. Okay, and let's do one more. E ki'i ke kahi mea. My favorite color. Uli uli. Good job. Okay. Good job, everyone. Let's do one more. E ki'i ke kahi mea maku'e. I'm maku'e. My skin. Okay. Good job. You guys, when I tried this with my high school students, they were bored. I was like, it's fun. Virtual learning, make it fun. So there you go. Okay, so you may want to keep those objects because those are going to come in handy for a bit. Okay, so our first question, let's get into it. He aha kau, e ho'opili mai, he aha kau.
He aha kau.
Waihoʻoluʻu, punahele.
Lu'u punahele.
So he aha kau waihoʻoluʻu punahele means, what is your favorite color? Okay, and the good thing about this question is that if you take out waihoʻoluʻu, you can literally insert anything, like he aha kau mele punahele, what is your favorite song? Or he aha kau pua punahele, what is your favorite flower? But that'll come in handy probably next class. But just for now, he aha kau waihoʻoluʻu punahele, what is your favorite color? Okay, so when it comes to the answer, it's a little tricky, but let's get into it. Because you're gonna say o ka color ka'u waihoʻoluʻu punahele. Okay? But there's only one word that you're gonna say K for, and that is ke'o ke'o. Anyone's favorite color is white? Raise your hand. No one? No? Oh, okay, one person. Kana, prom king. Okay, so prom king's favorite color is white. But okay, so you're only gonna say okay, ke'o ke'o ka'u waihoʻoluʻu punahele. But everyone else don't have to worry because your colors don't start with the letter K. Okay, so for me, o ka uli uli ka'u waihoʻoluʻu punahele. Okay. If you want, actually everyone can answer that question. He aha kau waihoʻoluʻu punahele. What is your favorite color? And just fill in, change uli uli with your color in Hawaiian. Okay, good. I know it's kind of long to type out. Erika, if you can copy that line and they can just copy it. Just the favorite color one. I think it should be in the breakout. It should be in the script, yeah. Yeah, so ka'u, yes, good. So ka'u, it's going to come into play later on down the line, but ka'u means something you can choose or you have a choice over. So because you can choose your favorite color, then it's going to be ka'u instead of ko'u. Okay? Good question. All right. So I'm going to call on a few of you. I'm going to ask you. You're going to answer. Then you're going to ask someone else. So let's jump to Roberta Martinez. He aha kau waihoʻoluʻu punahele? Kalamai, I think your mic's still off.
Okay. Can you hear me?
Yep.
Okay. O ka ʻELELO ka'u waihoʻoluʻu punahele.
Good job. Now, can you ask that same question to Ethan?
Ethan, he aha kau waihoʻoluʻu punahele.
O ka oma'o ka'u waihoʻoluʻu punahele.
Yeah, thank you. That word is kind of hard. Okay, can you ask that same question to Allison Milham?
Allison, he aha kau waihoʻoluʻu punahele.
O ka oma'o ka'u waihoʻoluʻu punahele.
Okay, and then one more. Can you ask that to Robert Harvest?
Robert, he aha kau waihoʻoluʻu punahele.
O ka ʻELELO ka'u waihoʻoluʻu punahele.
Good job. Okay, and then Robert, can you ask that question to everyone? And after you pau, everyone just gonna turn on their mic and say it. Okay, ready, go.
All right, everyone. He aha ka'u waihoʻoluʻu punahele.
Ditto. Good. Okay, so yeah. You know what? I'm gonna skip this one. This is just some samples, but you guys, you know, if you wanna, this is in your slides. If you need practice for this, you can always go back and look. But it's simple. Oka polu, oka ula, pink and gray. Okay. All right. So this one, it might come in handy. I mean, it's on your driver's license, so you're definitely going to use it. So a little bit different from the first question, but this one is going to be a whole PD might. You know what? Let's practice this. Everyone just say waihoʻoluʻu.
Waihoʻoluʻu.
Okay, waihoʻoluʻu. I know that's kind of hard to say, but just keep saying it and it'll come easier to you. Waihoʻoluʻu. So the question now is going to be he aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o kou lauoho. O kou lauoho, which is your hair. Everyone point to your lauoho, please. Good. Okay, or lack thereof. I don't. Yes, Tobias, lack thereof. Pukawa, maybe lack thereof. Okay, so he aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o kou lauoho. What is the color of your hair? This one's a little bit easier because all it's going to be is color. Ko'u lauoho. Color. Ko'u lauoho. So my hair is color. For me, ʻELELO ko'u lauoho. My hair is black. Okay, so that one's simple. If you guys can answer that in the chat. He aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o kou lauoho. Luogo. You know, autocorrect is the funniest thing. Good. Okay, I gotta give the second page some love. I always forget about the second page of Zoomers. Okay, so jumping to Hiamoe Girl. He aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o kou lauoho.
Maku'e ko'u lauoho.
Okay, can you ask Pi'ilani?
Pi'ilani, he aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o kou lauoho.
Maku'e ko'u lauoho.
Okay, can you ask Amanda Jimenez?
Amanda, he aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o kou lauoho.
Maku'e ko'u lauoho.
Okay, and can you ask Angel Bolton?
Angel, he aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o ko lauoho.
Makue ko'u LAUOHO.
Okay. And Angel, can you ask everybody?
Everybody, he aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o ko LAUOHO.
Makue ko'u LAUOHO. Le ko'u LAUOHO.
Ko'u LAUOHO.
Hina hina ko'u LAUOHO.
Natural blonde, natural blonde.
Yes, sir. Okay, so
So sorry to
Yeah, yeah.
interrupt, but true confession here. How do you say fake color?
fake.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. It's not natural.
Not natural. Okay, got it. So, I never had to say I had to fake hair before. So, let me look. Let me ask Lena Ala if you can look it up, or one of the kokos if they can look it up.
Thank you, Erica.
Right back to you. Thank you. But I do know bald. So all you baldies out there, that's going to be ʻAʻohe, yep. No, it's actually no hair. no hair. You get it? No hair. Yeah. Okay. No. Okay. No, it's gonna be ohule. So ohule means bald. Okay. So yeah. So Tobias, try and answer that. He aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o ko lauoho.
Ohuleʻau.
Yeah, there you go. Ahuleau. I am bald. Instead of saying ohule ko'olo lauoho. Yeah. You know what's funny is that waihoʻoluʻu actually means to die. So that might be to die using water or using a color or a liquid. So maybe that will be dyed. I don't know. Okay. Good. So that same thing we're gonna do, but now with our eyes. Everyone. So your eyes in Hawaiian is maka, but since you have two plural, you're not gonna say na, you're gonna say mau. This is a new concept, but it just shows that you're pluralizing something after you're possessive. Okay, so our new question, he aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o ko mau maka. Ko mau maka. Curly. Yeah. So he aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o ko mau maka, what is the color of your eyes? And same thing, you're just going to say color, ko'u mau maka. Color, ko'u mau maka. So, should be ku lohe lohe. That's nice. Thank you. Okay, so again, pretty easy, but just everyone practice the question with me, saying it. You can just leave your mic off, but yeah. So everyone ready? Oh yeah. He aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o ko mau maka.
Makue ko'u mau maka.
Yes, sir. Yes, Lena girl. Is that you? Oh yeah, that was. Okay.
Oh, sorry.
No. You're good. Can you ask while you're at it? Can you ask Lisa Malfa?
Elisa, he aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o ko mau maka?
Makue ko'u mau maka.
Maikai. Can you ask Namiko Hayashi?
Sure. He aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o ko mau maka.
Palanu ko mau maka.
Okay. And can you ask Carrie?
Really? He aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o ko mau maka.
Makue ko'u mau maka.
Okay. And then Carrie, everyone, please.
Aloha, kākou. He aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o ko mau maka.
Ele, ka waihoʻoluʻu.
Makue ka waihoʻoluʻu o ko'u mau maka. Mau maka.
Makue ko'u maka.
Okay. Great. Yeah, so okay, so we have those three: our favorite color, our hair color, and our eye color, which is probably going to be the most important or useful questions that we're going to have. But as we move on, yes, this is another thing that we can talk about. So our different lole or clothes. So we just have a few types of articles of clothing right here that we're gonna go over. And we'll do what we did last time, where I just highlight it and you're gonna privately in the chat, you're gonna put your guess using these words on the side. Okay, so let's do something easy. Maybe this one. Yeah, try this one. You guys can look at the words on the left and type in your guess on in the chat. Yes. I mean, it's not really the plant, but you know, it kind of looks like it. Okay, good. All right, JK Holmberg, you wanna give us your guess?
Sure. Papale lauhala.
Papale lauhala. So that means a hat, a lauhala hat. If you just want to say regular like just hat by itself, then that's just papale. Okay. Let's try this one. This might be kind of easy. This word kind of went around the world, I think. Yeah, good. Okay, Keholani bro, you want to give us yours?
Mu'u mu'u.
Mu'u mu'u, yep. So your dress, mu'u mu'u. This one you may know. What is this? A shoe? What is a shoe in Hawaiian? Ooh, okay, I see where some of you are getting your answer that you chose. That's a good guess though. So think of lole, yeah. Well, never mind. I'll just. Okay, so Catherine, you want to give us your guess?
Not sure. Kama'a?
Yeah, that's it. Good. So, you know, a lot of you are saying lole vavai for shoe, and that totally makes sense because vavai is your feet. But lole vavai is actually like clothes you wear on your leg. So that's going to be pants. Okay. So, no, but great guess. Very great guesses. Okay, let's just wrap up with, okay, how about I say the Hawaiian and you type in the English. So what do you think lole au is? What's lole au?
No.
Yeah. Good. There you go. Is your mic on again? No, not you. Okay, so good. Yes. Kalapi, what is lole au?
Bathing suit or bikini.
Good. Yeah. So bathing suit, any swim clothes. Au means to swim, so swim clothes. Let's try kakini. What do you think kakini is? Good. Okay. Kristen Consilio, can you give us your answer?
I'm guessing it's I'm sorry, guessing it's socks.
Oh wait, I pretty much highlight. Wait, did I highlight? Oh no, I didn't. Yeah, so it's socks. I think that was kind of a transliterated word too. Sock. Never mind. I was gonna say sakini, but that makes no sense. But yeah, okay. And then between the two, which one is the high heels?
Hila auli'i.
Oh, thank you. Okay, so hila auli'i, good. Hila auli'i, which kind of means like cute heels. Cute. Yeah. So the hila shows the heel part of the word, which means our last word is palule. Shirt is palule. Okay. So these are words you can use every day, and you know, that's a way you can normalize Hawaiian is just by saying, instead of saying the English, you can say, grab me that palule, or nice your mu'u, or your kakini are stink, wash it, you know, like that. Okay. All right, so I want to do this fast so we can get into our breakout rooms. It's 7:30, so if you have to ha'alele, ahuiho, The rest of this will be up on Google Classroom and YouTube. You can watch later. But yes, thank you, Erika. Okay, so let's just, again, this is really easy. I'm just gonna ask you and you can type it in. So, hea ka waihoʻoluʻu o kou palule. Everyone, show me your palule or point to your palule. Yeah, good. Or yeah, tug on your palule. If you're wearing a mu'umu'u, you can use that too. So can you answer that question? What is the color of your shirt? Same thing. Color ko'u palule. Okay. Good. Yeah, and this is where it gets kind of easier because you just plug in the color into the equation. You know, you have your answer right here, and you can just put in color ko'u palule. So everyone, kākou, he aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o kou palule. Ready, go. Cool. Okay. And then the last one, we don't need to do pants. We can skip pants. Okay. This one I want to do though before we get into break rooms. So this is kind of cool because, you know, I'm going with characters that we always use. And when we say a name, remember we say okina o before the name. So instead of saying ko'u palule or ko'u maumaka, you're just going to say o stitch. So if I ask, hea ka waihoʻoluʻu o stitch, it's going to be what is the color of stitch or what is stitch's color? Yeah, I put Shrek. What do you mean? I meant stitch. So if you answered that, that would be polu or stitch. Okay, is that easy enough? Do I need to explain it even more? Or you guys got it? Okay, so let's try with this this one. Hea ka waihoʻoluʻu o Shrek. Thank you, Erika. Yeah. And these are good because, you know, we're already familiar with these characters, hopefully, most of these characters. So, yeah, Poppy Shrek. Okay, Barbara DeBarish, what is your answer?
Oma Oma o Shrek.
Good, easy. Oma Oma o Shrek. Okay, let's move to the next one. He aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o Pikachu. If you see, he has multiple colors. So if you want, you can do more than one.
Mele mele.
Oh, that was the cutest thing ever. Who was that? Was that Shelly May? Good job, boy. Mike Tutty. That was awesome. Okay, so he gave you the answer, but yeah, some of you are doing the harder version. So Kalapi, you want to give us yours?
Mele mele makue a me ula ula o Pikachu.
Good job. Okay, I'm going to give you a little correction. So the ame is when you have an object. So since this is kind of a kahulu, you're going to use a. And that's just, you know, but I still get mixed up with the a and ame, so it's whatever. But just for future reference, if that comes in handy.
Kumu Kalamai, does it make it wrong?
No. Yeah, I'm not saying it's wrong. It's just what I learned would be is for verbs and adjectives, and ame is for nouns.
Okay.
Okay. And you know what? Colors could technically be considered nouns, so I wouldn't say it's wrong. Okay. So let's try it. Use a or ame for Nemo. Hea ka waihoʻoluʻu o Nemo. You see 3 colors here, so maybe you can give me 3. So it'd be color, 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 o Nemo, or color, color, ame, color, o Nemo. Good. Good, everyone. Thank you, Erika. Okay, Kaimalu, you want to give us your color, your answer?
Ala
Malani ʻELEʻELE a keʻo o Nemo.
Perfect. Thank you. Okay. This one's more specific. Hea aduka ka waihoʻoluʻu o kona muʻumuʻu. So this one you can just say color kona muʻumuʻu. Color kona muʻumuʻu. Her muʻumuʻu is color. Yeah, good. Yeah, you can. Good job, Car. Look at the car. Okay, I think everyone got the same answers about. So can you guys all answer? Hea hana waihoʻoluʻu o kona muʻumuʻu.
Oni kona
Oni kona
muʻumuʻu.
Oni a polu kona mo'omo'o.
Oh, pulu. Oh yeah, that is pulu. I didn't even see. Yeah, good. All right, and our last one. Heaha na waihoʻoluʻu o ka puaʻa. So again, what is the colors of the pig? And you just put ka puaʻa at the end. Good practice, y'all. Okay. All right. Good. Okay. So yes. Stacy, you want to give us yours?
Ke'o a hina a kala o pua'a.
Ka puaʻa.
Ka pua'a.
Yeah, good. All right, so we're gonna split up into breakout rooms, and again, it's just gonna kind of be just do what you guys want to do, but we have a script for you to follow, which Eddie could just put in. So thank you. So I guess some other things, because this is gonna go by fast, but I want you guys to actually ask the questions, call out the person, say kolopua heaha ka waihoʻoluʻu punahele. Actually engage with each other, and then if you want, you can practice the song, the mele song, the waihoʻoluʻu song, or you can choose a character and just say hea ka waihoʻoluʻu o Pooh Bear, and you don't need a visual because I'm sure we know that person. Hopefully you choose someone that everyone knows. Yeah. Okay. Let's do 4 people in each room. All right. Okay. And then we'll come check in wherever we can, but yes, have fun. It'll be 7 minutes, a little shorter, but yeah. And Kapua will time it because she's my timekeeper. Oh, Winnett.
Oh, I was looking up different words for died.
Yeah.
And urukau, I went through a bunch of them and I thought maybe kupenu.
Yeah, I saw that one. I never heard that one before. That was nice.
It was the only one I went through that was like as a verb, just like to dip or to die by dipping.
Yeah, well, that's why I was like, maybe Waihoʻoluʻu is the one, but I know she asked fake. Did you find fake?
I didn't look fake.
Okay, I know, like not real would be. Oh, all fake is fake hit in volleyball. That's interesting.
What about like artificial or false?
Yeah, so I think it's just gonna be not real. So ʻaʻole maoli. I'll give her a harder one actually. So ʻaʻole ka maoli koʻu waihoʻoluʻu.
But if you say like it's not natural my hair, just the hair, then would they think it was like a wig?
Yeah. So try look here. Let me give you the sentence. So ʻaʻole maoli ka waihoʻoluʻu o koʻu. The color of my
that makes sense.
It's not real. Yeah, I never had to answer that before, so that's
Okay, I guess I'll go join my breakout room.
I'll go check.
Makuʻe ko mau maka.
Okay. The fun group just saying bye. Oh, Haley, can you, yeah. Yes, get Haley. Haley can help you guys out. She's in my class, so.
Ole.
Okay. He aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o ko palule.
Nice.
Palule. Oh. What is hina hina? Ko'u.
Ko'u palule. Ke'o.
Hi.
Ka'u pol. What is the shirt now? Palule. Ko'u palule. Okay. Mai kae. Ko'u palule.
Okay.
Cute.
Is it Alani orange?
Alani.
Okay. Okay. Emily. Let's see.
Ka waihoʻoluʻu o kau maumaka.
Makue ko'u maumaka. E Tammy, he aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o kou maumaka.
Makue ko'u makue ko'u mau.
You pick. It's your shirt.
Ula oma'o kau palula. I'm not sure like which color my shirt looks like. It's more brown or green or.
It looks black, brown, and red.
Yeah. It's like weird color.
Yeah.
Ula e makue, I think.
Hold on. Oh, you guys get Lena Ala. You're fine. Okay, bye.
Rude.
Yeah.
He aha.
Okay, it's ehaha, ehaha, eha'a.
He aha.
Ehaha.
Ka waihoʻoluʻu.
Ka waihoʻoluʻu.
Palule.
Maikai.
Let's see. Julian. He aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o ko palule.
Uli ko'u palule.
Yeah.
Maikai.
E kumu.
You guys are good. Yeah, Carrie's good. She can help you guys out.
Carrie's
IG. Kumo, when did they change the body song?
No, they added to it.
Oh, when did they add to that?
Oh, the other two verses?
Yeah, there's 2 more verses?
There's 3 verses total, yeah. Oh, maybe I should do that next class. It's kind of long though. They did it for the PUNAHELE. So at first they're just then they added the like kue maka lihi maka lai awai, and then the next one is I don't even know it. So yeah, there goes that. But I think they just did it so the little kids can learn. But yeah, should we do a lesson on that next time?
Yeah, this big kid wants to learn it.
Okay. Okay, good. Yeah, I think that'll be.
And then can we learn your body yada 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 yada?
No.
Why not? Per queen.
Okay, fine. Yeah. But yeah, that's why I just put that on top of the song, so it's like, okay, it works. It kind of works timing wise. So.
Yeah.
Okay.
Someone had a lot of fun on his vacation.
Yeah, but I still did curriculum. I still did, learning.
Well, we love a productive downtime.
Right? I'm trying to think of new things to make fun videos about. So colors. I mean, colors can be easy. So we'll see.
Yeah, there's always Carly.
There's always Carly can make some videos. But if you guys have any ideas, let me know. Any cool songs, whatever. But body, for the body song, it just worked out.
That was actually really good.
Yeah, it kind of worked out good. I should do the 3rd verse though, because they only did the first 2. Well, I only know the first 2, so there goes that.
Where is it? Can you find it on like the
YouTube? 3rd?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sure there is on YouTube. It's on. Just look up Mele Kino or NāWAIHOʻOLUʻU Kino or something. Yeah, they have one of the Punahele schools doing it.
Okay. And when is cousin Cappy coming back?
I know. I keep telling her. She once her COVID things are passed, so yeah. I think that's gonna be next month, but she'll be back.
Okay.
Okay, see you guys in the main room.
Bye.
Was it last week? Because I missed last week.
Save brother go.
Yeah, can you make me a bowl?
Whoa, was that good time?
We were still singing.
We weren't finished.
I'm sorry. No. No, Carrie's group, I cut you off. Sorry, I just left, but sorry. Okay, so good job, everyone. Anyone want to volunteer before we pow to answer the questions for us? Who wants to get? Oh, now everyone's quiet. Oh, we weren't.
I'll volunteer. I'll volunteer Kala so that we can all hear the cookie frogs.
Oh, okay, I like it.
Nice.
Okay, Kala, you ready?
Ole. Give me a minute.
Yeah. Kākou WAIHOʻOLUʻU PUNAHELE.
O ka o a ula ula ko'u WAIHOʻOLUʻU PUNAHELE.
He aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o ko LAUOHO.
ʻELEʻELE ko'u LAUOHO.
He aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o ko maumaka.
ʻELEʻELE ko'u maumaka.
He aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o ko, I'm going to say lakeke, which is your jacket.
Oh, ʻELEʻELE ko'u laukeke.
Okay. He aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o wait. He aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o mushu. Let's just try that one.
Oh, ula ula o ko'u mushu. Or o mushu.
O mushu. Okay, good. Let's give her a round of applause. And you can send us your address, your Hilo address, so we can send you some goodies from Oahu. Thank you. Okay. I think that's it. Let's just wrap up. Is that it? Yes, that's it. Okay, so good job, everyone. Resume share. Thank you. Next class is going to be next week, Thursday. Erika, if you can send the links one more time. Sign up right now so you don't forget, and then I'll send the the confirmation either Wednesday or Thursday, like this week. But yeah, good job, everyone. That was fun. Good job. Okay. Yeah, if you guys want to stay and ask questions, you can, or you can leave and we'll see you. Just thank you for joining us again for another great class. Ahoy ho kākou. That was great. Ahoy ho.
Mahalo.
Mahalo.
Oh, hela mai kai.
Mahalo. Every breakout room I went to was great. You guys are
Mahalo kumu.
Mahalo. Aloha. Hui ho. Oh, Dorky.
Hia'i kākou, malama pono, hui ho.
Malama, Tammy, hui ho. Okay, Dorcas, thank you for telling us. You can join us from wherever you'll be, but if not, it'll be online. You can watch on YouTube or Google. Hui ho, Julian. Thank you. Ake kai malu. Hui ho.
Ahui ho. Please say ahui ho kumo kahano.
Hey. Mahalo, Tobias. Aloha. Kala, you can, if you want to send it to me.
Yeah, I'm doing that right now.
Okay, and Nancy, I didn't get Nancy. Did Nancy? Oh shoot. Okay. Yes, Roberta, I can send you the link. So, here's the for Roberta. Sorry. Here's the link for you. Try see if you can log in on that and let me know if you can get in. Thank you, Kala.
Right. Mahalo kumo.
Yeah. Someone Napo, yeah, Lindy, yes.
I have a question, and doesn't really relate to what we're doing, but I need a spell check from you.
Oh, yes.
I'm naming my ohana, and I want to name it